we're going to run a simulation and compare the results of our pump, if we did nothing in terms of maintenance, against the preventive maintenance task that we just set. So we go on to task this time and right click and click on Task Manager, and that opens up a new window, and we can see we got the failure effect categorization that we've assigned and which was evident operational, and here we got certain questions that can guide us in the creating of a new task. So from here in fact we could start and add a new task or add an existing task if we already had one selected. So what we've got here, we're going to have results for run to failure policy and results for our task. We only created one task, but this could be particularly useful if we want to compare different preventive tasks, because it will give us an indication of what are the operating costs, the cost per year, and the availability. So what we do, we click on simulate, and that's open up this little window, and we decide the time. So if, for example, 15 years, just to have different numbers, and we're going to carry out 500 simulation, and then we got a choice of fixing a seed or fixing a sequence of our simulation which will reproduce the same results, or leave it completely open. Okay, and then it's important that we click on this because that will use the computer where we run the simulation at its best. So we use the number of thread installed on this computer, and we click OK. Click OK, and this we got the results, 15 years. So if we did nothing, we got 4.7 e to the 7 against our preventive maintenance policy. That gives us 2.3 e to the 7 in terms of cost per year, and we got an availability of 0.57 against availability of 0.78, and we got the operating cost. But as I said, now ignoring the number whether they're credible or not, this simulation could be useful if I compare different tasks and then I decide which one to adopt. And that's it.